name is Balkis and I'm your buddy. Let's meet the other new joiners.
Good morning. I see everyone is here. You all look excited to start. Let me get you up to speed with BASF. We are a global chemical company, empowering industries around the world. Together with our customers and partners, we create chemistry for a sustainable future. At our service hub in Kuala Lumpur, we deliver high-quality expertise and services for the Asia-Pacific region and beyond.
Hey, done with orientation? Let me show you around. Our service hub in Kuala Lumpur is a great space for collaboration spread across several floors. And you know what's really awesome? Diversity brings things to life here. Everyone, say hi! Try this. Our team unites diverse backgrounds and skills from across the region and beyond, creating a dynamic and inclusive culture. Finance, people services, supply chain, digital hub, product safety, communications, real estate and facilities management, environment, health safety and quality. We are a winning team, passionate to provide best-in-class services. Great! Now you can get started. Let me tell you more about us. At BASF, you can build your own career. Continuous training options and unlimited opportunities in a multinational company will help you show off your best skills. We thrive in a digital and award-winning environment and enjoy flexible working arrangements that allow us to shape our work-life balance. And of course, we also celebrate our professional and fun office culture. Social engagements, festive events, sport clubs, you name it, we got it. Still energetic? You want to switch it up?